Listen, Sean, I called you in here because I've gotten multiple complaints about you belching around the office. So I wanted to hear your side of the story.
I don't know what you're talking about. Is that the real numbers?
It needs to stop. It's unsanitary. It's unprofessional.
Your sweatshirt's unprofessional, Mr. HR man.
It's casual Friday. Listen, if you're gonna burp, do it in the bathroom. Do it outside, okay?
Belch in a bathroom? What am I, some kind of animal? What even constitutes a bathroom anyway? You know, my friend Dan got so drunk one time, he peed his pants in a Panera Bread. Is that a bathroom? Can I burp a Panera Bread?